Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Making some breakfast. Some chicken nuggets and some eggs. Dion's over there about to eat too. And I've cleaned up the tools I used yesterday for fixing this thing up. I like it with the studs. It looks a lot better. I'm slowly upgrading it. I'm going to Kiki's dad to pick up Mike's stuff and also the stuff for the electrical setup. I know I initially promised him that I'd just leave my tools behind with him when I was done, but my cousin, he's apparently been studying as an engineer for the past 5 years, and he's doing a bunch of stuff with electricity, so I'd much rather leave the tools with him, knowing that he would actually use them consistently, whereas I think Kiki's dad might use them once or twice in his life, some of them. So yeah, I'm gonna give him to my cousin instead. I don't really think he cares all that much. I think it's just gonna be nice for him to get Mike's stuff out of there, because Mike just kind of parked his stuff there and went back here to go. I was listening to the China show before in the train. Now I put on A Valis by Philip K. Dick. Strange book. It seems to keep changing. Oh, let's go. I'm back here at Kiki's dad's place. Filled this thing up with all of Mike's stuff that I could find. I got my wheel there. Guess this was the last place me and Mike camped out together. His tent over there. Mine over there. I guess we did stay here for one day with Dion. Yeah. Wonder how the guinea pigs are doing. Oh, they're not in there. Hopefully they're indoors. Check it out. His umbrella. He put it here. We used that quite a bit in the beginning when it was raining at the first shelter site. I also found these filters I used to use. I dropped them in here one day, and I guess they're still here. Last clip of me with my old backpack on, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. I like this backpack, but I like the one Mike gave me better. There we go, I'm in Slayer Sister Short now. Last trip with this old backpack, I'm pretty sure. It served me well. I like it. But I like the new backpack better. Thank you so much, Mike. Always looking out for me. It's gonna be half an hour before my train's here. I'm gonna go over and relax in one of the final places I hung out with Mike in. This box right here. We're hanging hanging out here looking at a little mouse eating some stuff left on the ground. Hey guys, I went to pick up the electrical components today. These are them splayed out. We got ideal diodes, MC4 to XT90 connector for solar panels. I don't have those yet. This is the main component. MPPT buck converter, very compact, very lightweight. It's going to be installed into two of these boxes here that usually go for the DSP or DPS power supply. It's a different type of power supply. We got security right here. We got breakers. I'm pretty confident these ones are going to be good. We got different types of cable. We got 10 gauge in here. We got 14 gauge in here. And then in here I've put all the XT connectors, just a bunch of XT90 connectors with the associated, what do you call, I forget the name of it. Let's see. It's an XT90E connector. And this one has an XT90S female connector as well. I'm using male connectors for these parts. And I know XT90's over the top, but I just want to future-proof this build. I just want to use proper connectors. Yeah, it adds a little bit more weight, but in the grand scheme of things, it's not going to make much of a difference. Shaving off a few 100 grams here and there. And yeah, I'm just gonna put some of these together. Bought another 3 of these. You can never get too many of these. Usually they light up in the darkness, but I think they have to sit out in the sun for a while first. But yeah, I'm just going through all the different things, just double checking, making sure I got all the different screws and nuts. I'm just watching something, hanging out with Stony, about to eat some mackerel and tomato sauce with mayo on there, and have some tea.